Why is finding a reliable fridge thermometer so difficult? Imagine trying to keep your food safe, but the thermometer inside your fridge keeps giving you confusing readings. It can be frustrating, right? That's because finding a thermometer you can trust is not as simple as it sounds. Several factors make it tricky. First, accuracy and calibration are big issues. A good fridge thermometer needs to show the temperature within half a degree Celsius. If it's off by more than that, your food might spoil or become unsafe. Some thermometers are only accurate within 1 degree Celsius or more, which isn't good enough for food safety standards. Certified thermometers that follow national standards can be accurate within 0.3 degrees Celsius, but they tend to cost more and are less common in stores. Calibration is also important. Over time, thermometers can drift and give false readings. To keep them accurate, you need to check them regularly, often using ice-water tests. If you don't calibrate them, you might think your fridge is at the right temperature when it's not. Next, the design and placement of the thermometer matter. Some measure just the air temperature inside the fridge, which can change quickly. Others have probes that you can put directly in food or water, which gives a more steady and realistic reading. But probes can be more complicated to use and more expensive. The length of the probe cable is also important so it doesn't interfere with closing the fridge door. Then, environmental factors inside the fridge cause more problems. Fridges don't have uniform temperatures. The back or bottom tends to be colder, while the door area is warmer. If you place the thermometer in the wrong spot, it won't tell you the true temperature where your food is stored. That's why some people use multiple thermometers to check different zones. User understanding and maintenance are also key. Many people don't know how to properly use or calibrate their thermometers. Digital models with alarms and memory features are helpful but can be confusing for some. Simple dial thermometers are easier but might not be as accurate or reliable. Cost and availability play a role too. High-quality, certified thermometers with extra features cost more and are less common in regular stores. Cheaper models may be inaccurate or break easily, which can put your food safety at risk. To keep your food safe, a good fridge thermometer should be accurate within about half a degree Celsius, be calibrated regularly, and have a probe that can be placed in a representative spot inside the fridge. It should also have features like alarms to alert you if the temperature gets too high or low. Because of all these factors, design, calibration, placement, and cost, finding a thermometer you can truly rely on is not always easy. But it's worth the effort to make sure your food stays fresh and safe.